Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing fine and great. And today we are going to discuss from where to cover static and banking awareness, as we all cover current affairs daily, but in mains exam we see that weightage of static and banking awareness is also fine. So we have to cover these topics also along with current affairs. Okay. Every year, around 15 questions are asked from these two sections, and I am covering this video. I am covering this topic for SBI clerk. Okay, so let's start. So first is static awareness. So if you want to go for static awareness free material, then I will suggest you to go for Oliveboard Bolt. If you open their app, and this is totally free, I am discussing about the free sources here. Okay, so in Oliveboard app, just open the free ebook section and then you will find it in general awareness section. And now we will discuss how to revise this static awareness, how to learn this. So what you have to do is take that PDF. You can take the printout of that PDF also, and then make a list of like currency, and then headquarters. Okay, like these airports. So what you can do is you can revise from the PDF also, and if you want to give some rest to your eyes and if you like reading from paper, you can make short notes of these topics and then just try to revise them on alternate days, or like you can revise them weekly also, because they are not that much difficult to learn. So this you can do with static awareness. Okay, and for static awareness we have to revise it again and again because it requires memory. So keep revising it on alternate days. Okay, now we will move to banking awareness. So in banking awareness, first if you want to go for previous year banking awareness questions, like if you want to cover previous 5 years SBI clerk banking awareness questions, because from previous year we can get an overview of like how which type of questions are asked in the exam. So it is very important to cover the previous year questions also. So for this I will also suggest you the same Oliveboard, and they have released an ebook recently, and in that ebook last 5 year SBI clerk banking awareness questions are given in that ebook. And we all know that banking awareness syllabus is always the same, so we don't have to read it again and again. And if we revise this ebook also, this can be very helpful. Like if you don't have any time for static awareness and banking awareness, then you can go for this ebook, because banking awareness questions are usually repeated, because banking awareness syllabus is not that much vast. So you don't have to read it again and again. Just learn the concepts one time and then keep revising it. Okay, so for banking awareness I would suggest you previous years, I would suggest you to go for Oliveboard ebook. Okay, to cover previous last 5 year. And if you cover last 5 year banking awareness questions, then you can easily tick the questions in the paper, because these questions are usually repeated. Okay, as I told you that banking awareness syllabus is not that much vast. So second is, if you want to go for videos, like if you are unable to learn from the PDFs, then you can watch their videos and then revise it from the ebooks. Okay, this is usually very helpful. So for banking awareness I would suggest you this. Okay, so that's all for today's video. Thank you and have a nice day.